Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the requirements to open a Fidelity Investment account. Opening a Fidelity Investment account is a straightforward process that can be done online. To get started, you'll need to provide some basic personal information. This includes your name, date of birth, and your social security number. You'll also need to provide your mailing address and physical address, as well as an email address and phone number. Fidelity also requires information about your employment, such as your occupation and employer. They may also ask about your income and your overall investment experience. This is all standard practice for financial institutions to comply with federal regulations. When you're ready to fund your account, Fidelity offers various options, including an electronic funds transfer from a bank account, a check deposit, or a wire transfer. There is no minimum to open a Fidelity brokerage account, which makes it a great option for new investors. However, some specific types of accounts or managed portfolios may have their own minimum initial investment requirements. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.